Oh my god. We drove up into Level Canyon, then we took about probably like a 2-mile off-road trip in our little Trx70 and a little Crf50 up to these little cabins. It was quite the ride with no suspension and a shit ton of rocks. Getting bounced around all over the place. And yeah, you got these cabins, looks like they're still made of sod. Just mud. I don't know when they're made, what they're made for. I'm guessing they're probably some kind of hunter's cabins or something. I'm not sure. Got Nick. Wild. Yeah. Quite the drive out here in these things, but it makes the journey a lot funner. It's like a little chicken coop. Unfortunately, I only brought one GoPro battery that's more than 50% dead, so I wanted to film more of the riding, but I don't know if that's going to happen. But I have my drone, so you can see what I can get with that. Bent up. Good bend.
This has probably been here for years.
Found a random Ford Explorer out here, just abandoned. I don't know how long it's been here, but it looks like it's been here for a little bit. Yeah, it's been here for a little bit. Ridiculous things you find out in the desert. Holy crap, we are way from where we started. We're about I guess probably like 15 miles away from where we parked. We just keep on driving and eventually yeah, we'll figure out how to get back. But we found this little what it used to be, a little ranch or something. Quite a rough ride. Since the thing doesn't have any suspension, and you know how the roads are right here, crazy rocky, but it's still fun. Just not ideal. But yeah, we're gonna keep venturing around. I'll probably end up running out of gas and we'll figure out what to do from there. Awesome. We're out here at some random springs. I don't know what it is or anything.